Hi, lovers there. Do you perhaps wonder what can you do when you find out that your husband or your wife is in the hands of a side chick? It is a very good question, and the answer is don't blame yourself. Not let's see what can you do while your partner is in the hands of a side chick. What you need to do, focus on yourself. What you do, you reflect, you ask yourself what might be the reason. But you don't go and ask him to say, why did you go there? He knows why he goes there, but reflect on yourself. Now, number 2, expose the affairs to your friends, to his family, to your family, and also to your children if they big enough to understand these kind of things. Now, while you are there alone and he or she is in the hands of the side chick, you do things that makes you happy, gardening, you do cooking, you do maybe knitting, you attend whatever church, you pray, you travel, you do everything. Most important thing, you also need to read. Read on the topic of marriage. You read on the topic, how do you carry yourself? Let's say, how do you carry yourself as a woman in a marriage? How do you carry yourself as a man in a marriage? Do your research, read, understand the whole thing. But never blame yourself because you are not the cause. He is an adult. He is an adult. He knows why he goes there. And it's not your responsibility to go there and say, no, please come back home. Don't bang him. Don't nag. Don't criticize. Don't judge. Leave him because you are not the one to judge. Karma will deal with him or her. Now, never try to say, I will pray for you. He's adult. He's also a Christian. He will pray for himself. Now, the other thing also what I want you to do, you just also prepare yourself emotionally. Now, because this thing, this cheating, side chicks and all those things, it leaves you with a very, very, very deep wound. So what you need to do, you go to a professional, go look for counseling, therapy, go to a pastor, so that you are able to express your emotion, because you have so mixed emotion. You are feeling sad, you feel betrayed, you feel angry, you feel ashamed, you feel embarrassed. All those emotions are there, and all those things, they don't need to stay in your system. You need to take them out. So you need to take them out, because if you don't take them out, they will terrorize you forever. And then you carry the grudges. You don't even know what to do every time, even after you have reconciled. When you talk about something, remember in 30 years ago, you have cheated on me, and so on. Those things will not come if you don't give yourself time to express them, take them out of your system, and then slowly but slowly you will heal. But what I really promise you, you will heal. Now, I want to talk about the issue of, now, why do I have to expose it? You know what? The moment you try to protect Kama. No, I don't want this thing to be here from other people. Actually, you are pushing a person to be there forever, because this your partner feel very good that, okay, not many people know about that. Then if she or he will go back in the hands of the side whatever, side chick or side man or side whatever. It's actually like a motivation for a person to be there. So, but the moment you expose it, it will shake him or her, and then they feel, okay, what am I doing? Even when she or he is angry with you by expose it, because if she or he knows something is wrong, he will stop. Why you don't want this thing to be exposed? Why you don't want it to be exposed? Because when you go there, you think you are doing the right thing. So let it be in the open. Let it be exposed so that you can feel it, that how painful it is, because affair is not only between the two of you, the two partners. It affects the children. It affects the parents. It affects the work. It affects the community where you live. It's not just something that you have to deal with. Involve all those, the community, your church, your pastor, your mother, your father, your children, whoever is able to help you. But don't hold it in, because the moment you hold it really, you will have those kind of grudges, and it's very, very, very difficult to heal. But what I promise to you, heal, you will heal. Now, there are really many, many couples who try to hide, and I want to be there. Don't hide those things, because those things, the moment you hide it, they will haunt you so much, and it really delay the healing process. So, and the last thing that really I want to talk about is that don't or never blame yourself. It is not your fault that this person end up in the hands of another person. It's not your fault. No, you are not the one who's pushing. By the way, did he tell you that he's going? The fact that he never tells you, no, I'm going now to have an affair, it's because he hid also his feelings. Maybe he was not satisfied, but did he discuss it with you? He didn't discuss it with you, so it's never your fault. Yeah, no, I'm going because this one is, and because it doesn't want to give me what, I'm not happy in that one. But have he discussed with you? So the fact that he never discussed it with you, it also gives you that he lied to you. Maybe he lied to you thinking that he or she is happy in this relationship. Candy is not happy. So it is not your fault. So just relax. Yes, it's not easy, but force yourself to relax. Do whatever it takes that makes you happy. If you find this video so helpful, just remember to share it with your friends and family. And then I see you in the next video. I love you guys.